Cost of list functions in Python. Based on this older thread, it looks like the cost of list functions in Python is random access, O1, insertion/deletion to front, ON, insertion/deletion to back, O1. Can anyone confirm whether this is still true in Python 2? 6/3.x.
Take a look here. It's a pep for a different kind of list. The version specified is 2. 6/3.0. Append, insertion to back, is O1, while insertion, everywhere else, is ON. So yes, it looks like this is still true.
Python 3 is mostly an evolutionary change, no big changes in the data structures and their complexities. The canonical source for Python collections is time complexity on the wiki.
That's correct. Inserting in front forces a move of all the elements to make place. Collections.dec offers similar functionality, but is optimized for insertion on both sides.
I know this post is old, but I recently did a little test myself. The complexity of list.insert appears to be ON. Code. See 5 positions where insertion can be done. Cost is of course a function of how large the list is, and how close you are to the beginning of the list, i.e. how many memory locations have to be reorganized. Ignore left image of plot.
Phew, there is a faster for some ops. Insert is O log n, list implementation called glist if you need it. Glist.
If you want to subscribe channel, please consider subscribing.